Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing questions of Urdu. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing all type of answers in the PDF and the handwritten form. For this, contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. And we provide also the consulting services. Here we are discussing Urdu assignments and that you can see the from 1 to 3 questions you have write in the 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and 5 you have to write in the 100 to 150 words, and question number 6 is you have to write in the 500 words because the project based answers you can write in the 500 up to 500 words. And we have prepared actually all the answers. If you need this, contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.